So now we come back to the light dependent resistor based comparator circuit there using the LM358 op amp. So you can see when I shade it, the output goes low. When I don't, output goes high. I dim the lamp a little bit, the output goes low, and so on. Now flashlights, many of them, they don't just simply turn on and off. And hopefully you can see that. We got both the red and the blue LED alternating back and forth rapidly right there, because the flashlight is turning on and off rapidly. So what we're going to do, zoom in a little bit to get a better look at the circuit. Where we have the light dependent resistor voltage divider, we're going to insert a capacitor right there. So now it's going to take time to charge and discharge the capacitor, and therefore it just gets kind of an average voltage and locks into place much better. So now, here's a schematic diagram for our LM358 op amp, wired as a comparator. We have a capacitor to help stabilize the signal though. But in case output goes high, red LED lights up, output goes low, blue LED lights up. They don't make a direct connection to those supply rails, but close enough. So in any case, we set a reference voltage, half of the supply voltage at the inverting input. And then we have our signal coming to the non-inverting input. And bright enough light, you get above 2.5 volts. And if it's dark enough, then you get below 2.5 volts. And high enough voltage, high output. Low enough voltage, low output. If you have a light though that's oscillating, turning on and off rapidly, it's going to keep bouncing back and forth. This is very quick. So we just take a somewhat large value capacitor right there. It takes time to discharge it and charge it. Therefore, it's going to hold like an average voltage and steady things. So now, I removed the capacitor. You can see we got about 2 volts there when I get the lamp above about 2.5 volts. Looks like we're kind of borderline. Then, we're closer to 3 volts. Then we have a high output right there. Sorry, that jumper's kind of blocking it. But in case, we're going to grab the flashlight, put it at second low setting, and now you can see the voltage is bouncing all over the place right there. So the output's alternating between high and low as fast as the light is alternating. We're going to take the capacitor again. So it's a smoothing capacitor. Put it to output and then the negative side to ground. Right there, it's polarized. And there. So again, we have a steady voltage, steady light. But we take the flashlight here. Try not to wash it out. And there you can see, now the output's high. We have a steady voltage, even though the light is still oscillating.